Welcome back, everybody, to the Weather Center. We have a storm in parts of Reynolds and Iron County now. It has a severe thunderstorm warning. This severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for southeastern Iron, and east central Reynolds County until 2:45. At 1:55, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northeast of Ellington, or 22 miles southwest of Ironton, moving to the northeast at 20 miles per hour. Let's go ahead and real quick show you what we are looking at here. So as we are looking at this storm, it does have a little bit of a rotational signature on it. So but with this storm, it's very far away from the radar, so we are not really able to see the rotation like we could usually see it. So I'll see if I can see it better from another source. Obviously, if not, we'll be fine. Now, there's a little rotation near Annapolis and Des Arc. Let me real quick bring up another source so that you guys can see that on my screen. So this is what I'm looking at currently on my screen. We just got an update on that warning. So okay, I'm just probably going to have to read the warning off a different source. Okay. So we do have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect still until 2:45. So a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2:45 for southeastern Iron and east central Reynolds. At 2:07, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles west of Annapolis, or 19 miles southwest of Ironton, moving northeast at 20. 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail are the main threats. We could see a tornado with this, is what they are saying with this right now. As you can see, we do have a little bit of a rotation, so at least on the St. Louis site, we are seeing that. We are also seeing it on the Paducah site, but on the St. Louis site. All right. We're going to real quick go ahead and put a track on this storm fairly quickly, since it's moving off to northeast at 20. The National Weather Service said 20, so Annapolis is hitting around 221, Fredericktown around 339, and around 342 for Junction City. This warning is in effect for the next little while. So there is also a warning over here as well near Salem, Indiana. Is moving has already moved out of our region, so we don't really have to worry about it as much. So we're going to switch back to the St. Louis site. There's still a little rotation right there, but not as pronounced anymore as we were seeing several minutes ago. So So if you live in this area, if you live in Annapolis, you need to probably get to your safe place, a shelter. We are seeing signature on radar here. We may or may not get a severe thunderstorm warning for Madison County within the next 30 minutes. Yeah, this is definitely starting to show rotation. So give me a second while. Honestly, let me real quick switch to this. There is definitely rotation on radar as that's showing it there. We are also seeing it here near Annapolis. So the storm action is going to continue to be a mix of what's to happen, what's to go ahead and unfold. So we will continue to watch this very closely. So we do have tomorrow on the flip side of things. Tomorrow is a tomorrow is a weather alert day, as there's a level 3 out of 5 for severe weather. The tornado threat is still there, and we also have the 10% risk for people in Peoria, into Springfield, and Chatham. So there's a big area of tomorrow. We also have a severe weather threat today. This storm is outside of the severe weather threat. So sorry. This storm has clearly tapped into energy that other storms just haven't tapped into yet. Other rain showers are not really showing much in the way of severe thunderstorm characteristics, besides outside the region to the northwest. We still see we're still seeing that severe storm characteristic on that storm. Velocity not showing as much anymore in rotation, but it's there. There's no doubt it's there on radar. So with that storm, it's definitely something we have to watch, continue to watch, and continue to go in depth in the warning of it. So for right now, we don't have any other warnings in effect right now, so we'll turn it back. All right, I'm decided I'm gonna check back in with you guys on this storm. So we still have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Iron County until 2:45 this afternoon. At 2:20, a severe thunderstorm was located over Annapolis, or 15 miles south of Ironton, moving east at 20. Hazard 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source radar indicated this warning is tornado possible tagged. That is why we're here, because this warning is tornado possible tagged. We have to be on the lookout for any tornado-like characteristics. We do see a little bit of something just near Annapolis here, right by this highway, which I do not know what that highway is. I will be honest with you guys. If I don't know something, I don't know something. So I'll just real quick. That is Highway 49. So if there would be a tornado, it had just crossed Highway 49 between Annapolis and Sabula. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Got to base velocity. We do still see it on the base velocity here, but with this storm, unfortunately, it's in a radar hole area. The hail threat is definitely going down with this storm, but let me real quick go to the warning here. We have a lot of possible severe weather in the next several days. We did just get for the day 3 outlook, we did just get a update for the day 3. We'll get an update for that one a little later on in the day. So that's definitely something we'll have to watch for sure. So no updates currently from this warning. The possibility of hail is still at a possible is still near severe limits, not at severe limits, near severe limits for hail. I think the main reason why this warning is still in effect is because of the possibility of a spin up like tornado. near Annapolis, and it does give those characteristics on radar. We did just get an update on the warning. I'll see if they updated the polygon at all. Let me see if it got the update on the other source. We do have the update on the other source. So the tornado possible tag has been removed from the warning. At 2:29, a severe thunderstorm was located near Annapolis, or 13 miles south of Ironton, moving northeast at 20. I think the storm still has a possibility of producing a spin up like tornado. Is it a relatively high risk? No, it is not. Do not take do not take what I say to the bank. That's just what I have to tell you guys, because sometimes math is wrong. Sometimes. For the next 12 minutes, we still have a severe thunderstorm warning. Severe thunderstorm warning out. So, what we're going to do now, real quick, is do this, and this allows us to go ahead and look at the storm from this source. And based on this source, it definitely still shows a possible tornado that we could see within the next 35, 40 minutes or so go into Madison County. So this storm will eventually, if it holds together, impact Fredericktown. What?
Go out here and hang out until I go to work.
I'm live.
For how long?
There's a severe thunderstorm warning that has tornado possible tag. About to move into Madison County.
Just for like 10 minutes.
Culver Village just will be impacting you around 3:20, 3:32, 3:33 for Fredericktown into Junction City by 3:34. There is still a very it's weak, but there is still rotation there. is relatively weak, but there is still rotation there. Nonetheless. So checking the rest of the region now. Didn't I shut this off? Sorry, I thought I shut off the SBC forecast on here. I'm going to real quick go ahead and turn this to this. I just need the radar to look like a radar. We do have showers and thunderstorms in northern Iron County. We also have some showers in St. Genevieve County, some showers in Monroe County. Yeah, the radar is now just updating here and showing us what's going on now. So we're going to zoom back into this storm here in Iron County real quick. This is for southern Iron County now. It's for a very small part of Iron County. I most definitely think this will be extended, at least as a severe thunderstorm warning. I mean, if not, a tornado warning. We do definitely still have severe weather, severe thunderstorm winds within the storm. So based on the gust potential, we're going to zoom out real quick and show you the rest of our region now. Most of the bigger thunderstorm activity is out area, but this could go into Fredericktown by 3:50, where this severe thunderstorm warning is. So that's definitely something we have to watch. I think we will definitely get a new warning for that storm. I think the question is when and where. So I don't know if there's a drawing tool on this thing. I don't think there is. It looks like they canceled the warning. Let me real quick look at our source real quick. 1 second. While I figure out that information. So the National Weather Service's statement says that the storm has weakened below severe limits, but to me, it still shows severe weather characteristics. It's definitely a storm still to watch because it does have a that purple color that you would usually see in storms like this. We do also have possibility of hail. Oh, we're not in level 3. Okay. Right now, okay. It's not on. Okay. The other radar, our GR radar, it doesn't show the that type of, I'm sorry, I don't have a radar up real quick. I'll real quick put that back up. I'm sorry. Here we are. So this is the storm we've been watching here. There is definitely still rotation there. Right there, about to cross into Madison County, but the National Weather Service is saying that they are not seeing much severe weather out of that one anymore. Now, let's turn our focus to this one near Vienna, Missouri. There's no rotation on that one. It just looks weird on radar. So we will continue to watch these storms very closely throughout the rest of the afternoon. Anyway, with that severe thunderstorm warning no longer on the map, let me real quick look at the chat room, see if they're going to issue any more warnings. I would highly doubt it. I would highly doubt it, but it's not a zero, it's not a